Hey guys, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon and never miss a video from this channel.
Your employer takes only 6 seconds to find out if he's going to hire you or not. Yes, that's the exact proven time that an employer takes to make a judgment. I know it's immensely discouraging when you have spent days and nights in crafting a godlike resume. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're gonna talk about resume mistakes that may hurt your career. Yes. So let's begin with the video very quickly. Alright, so the first mistake that a lot of people tend to commit is sharing their graduation details when it is no longer relevant. If you've listed your college, it's already assumed that you went to school. You're simply wasting the page space and the time of your employer. So if you've listed your college, there is no need to mention your school details. Always remember, first things first. Alright, another very big mistake that a lot of people tend to commit is using an obscure email address. Your email address should be extremely precise and professional. It should not speak anything about you. It should not sound something like katielikesdancing@gmail.com. It should sound something very professional, something like katiegray95@gmail.com. So your email address should be extremely professional. I've talked about this in my previous video as well. If you haven't watched my previous video, how to make a resume, go watch my previous video. The link is provided in the description below. Alright, another very big mistake that a lot of people tend to commit is including irrelevant work experience. The key idea behind making a resume is what? Is to entice your employer, is to make him feel that yes, you are that one person he wants to hire for that particular job you've applied for. For example, if you've applied for the position of a researcher and you do not mention, or you fail to mention your contribution in that particular field, your employer will outrightly reject you. So you have to always remember mentioning things or including relevant experiences that falls in synchronization with the job that you have applied for. Now, another very big mistake that a lot of people tend to commit is excluding unpaid work experience. A lot of students tend to think like this: if they did not get paid to do something, it's not worth putting into the work experience section. It's not like that at all. Employers look at it with totally different perspective. Any leadership skills, any voluntary activity, any meaningful experiences that goes in synchronization with the job that you applied for, it's always worth putting into the work experience section. Even if it was an extracurricular activity, or even if you did not get paid to do that particular thing, it's always worth putting into the work experience section. So if you think any meaningful experiences in your past, always appreciate to put it in the work experience sections. Go for it. Now, another very big mistake that a lot of people tend to commit is including their objective. Potential employers do not want to see your objective anymore. Instead of putting an objective, you have to include a summary of skills. If you do not have any idea about how to make a summary of your skills in your resume, you can go watch my previous video. The link is provided in the description box. Now, another big no-no is, guys, grammatical mistakes. A big no-no. I mean, how can you even do that to yourself? You cannot do that to yourself. Please do not do that. It's my request. Also, avoid the use of I and me. Make sure you do not use any present tense verbs. So, bad grammar resume will be outrightly rejected. So, always make sure that you do not make any grammatical mistakes in your resume. And in the end, you don't want to waste the time of your employer. You don't want to make him feel that you do not value his time. So always remember to keep your resume up to only one page, not very long if you do not have more than 5 years of experience. If you have more than 5 years of experience, it can of course extend. always remember the key idea behind making a resume is to entice your employers, to make him feel that yes, you are that one person he wants to hire for that particular job you have applied for. Remember, you have only 6 seconds and your time starts now. Hey guys, also if you have any doubts or any queries about your resume, if you think that your resume is not getting any answers or is not being responded by potential employers, you can email us your resume. We provide online resume review service. You can email us your resume at finlandacademy2019@gmail.com. finlandacademy2019@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Take care.